To create account on Claude AI. First of all, you can go with email or you can choose a continue with Google. I will choose a continue with Google and I will choose one of my accounts. Right here, I will go with continue, create account on Claude AI. Over here, I can just put there my number. I can add my birthday. And agree on the privacy. On the next page, you have to create have to put your phone number. On the next page, you have to put there your phone number and send a verification code. On your phone, it will send you a verification code, which you need to put to this website to get into Cloud. If you put there the verification code, it will verify your account and you will get in. And after that, you will be in the cloud. You can just enter your name and send it to the cloud. And you can begin your journey with Claude AI. That's it. That's for this video. See you in the next one.